Hey, welcome to our video. Today, we'll tell you how developing a price comparison app can help businesses and consumers save both time and money. A price comparison app allows users to compare product prices from multiple sources in real time. Whether it's for electronics, groceries, or travel bookings, these apps help users find the best deals instantly. Key features of a price comparison app include product search, price alerts for drops, user reviews, and side-by-side comparisons, giving users the best experience while shopping. For businesses, price comparison apps attract price-conscious shoppers and increase sales. For users, these apps offer a quick and easy way to save money without visiting multiple websites. However, developing these apps comes with challenges like real-time data integration, managing large datasets, and ensuring a seamless user experience across different devices. Ready to build a price comparison app? With the right features and smooth performance, you can revolutionize how people shop and make informed choices. Let's get started. At Octal IT Solution, we specialize in developing custom price comparison apps tailored to your business needs. Contact us today and lead the market with innovative solutions.